So welcome to Doing Stuff Outdoors. And what am I doing today? Heading over to the wood yard. Going to cut up some ash rounds. And then hopefully when my wife Stacy gets home tonight, we're going to go over there and feed them to the wood splitter and make some pretty pieces of firewood. So stick around. Okay, over here at the wood yard, got the saw gassed up, oiled up, ready to go. I even got me a perfect stick just in case I needed it, which I usually don't on this log cutting table. Again, I'll try to line the end of the logs up right here, and then I can just go down through it. There's in the middle, that's 16. The middle of that one's 16, 16, 16, 16, and so on. But I hope to get my other log cutting table done fairly soon. I haven't quite decided yet if I'm going to try to salvage any of these 4x4s on this one to do it. We'll see. But my stops are getting in bad shape. Cut through that one. Oh, it's been a couple months ago. But looks like I got a round left over there. But yeah. Got the 4-in-1 bucket on Big Johnny 4 to go pick the logs up and then to put the rounds in to dump in the dump trailer. Drop a comment. Let me know what you all think about this 4-in-1 bucket and how I'm using it for my firewood process. But got 3 of my custom-made wood racks out here ready. Bumblebee is going to get to pollinate here after a while. Trash pile continues to grow. This is offcuts, slash, sawdust, wood chips, things like that. And here's what's left of my ash log pile that I'm going to be pulling logs from today. The other day when we were cutting ash, it was out to here. So now it's starting here. It'd be very nice if I could get most of this cut up today. It'd be very nice. We'll see what happens. One round in the trailer. I think I had 4 left in there from the other day. I said I'll try to get it lined up on the left or right edge as close as possible. Kind of like that. stuck around this long, we really do appreciate it. Hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and as always, have a super fantastic day.